everybody, it's Julie B. I'm gonna finish up today on my craft room. I got my cabinets painted. I think that's in part 2. And so I just kind of wanted to let y'all know. But I'm gonna tell you a little bit about me. Sometimes you see me with makeup, sometimes you don't. Well, I suffer from depression. This is not a sponsored ad. But I suffer from depression, and there's days where I just don't want to do anything, but I need to. So I don't put on makeup. I don't do my hair. Sometimes I just sit in my chair and veg in front of YouTube all day long and just watch random crap, whatever. Well, I put my makeup on, try to put my makeup on daily, fix my hair. My clothes, they're not fancy. I just wear t-shirts and shorts. But I do put my makeup on to make me feel better. I do take medication, because if not, y'all would see a basket case. Because I guess you could say I'm bipolar. I have OCD. I like things a certain way. I like to cook things a certain way. And I started on this, and I haven't touched it for, let's see, probably a couple of days. I haven't touched it because I hadn't wanted to. I want to work on things, but I'm going to clean up my craft room today because I'm going to start also, I got to clean up the other parts of the house. My house doesn't get real dirty. My craft room does. I can shut that door. I can shut the door to my craft room. Nobody will see it. So I'm not worried about how my craft room looks or my roommate's train storage crap looks, because we're going to start on that. That's going to be another thing on my channel, is we're going to get all of that cleaned up and sorted over there. I'll show y'all it in just a minute because it's bad. It really is bad. He's got a lot of crap. He has got a lot of crap. His sister does too. She has a storage room, plus he has a storage room, and he's got a studio with I don't know how many computers and pictures on the wall that he's done concerts on, because he's a concert photographer. So if y'all want to look at his channel, which is called Max Concert Photography. We have another channel that we do like hauls and crafts, which we're going to be doing some crafts on that channel. It is called It's Our Thing. How he came up with that, I have no clue. I don't know how he came up with that name, It's Our Thing. But it fits us because we really don't care, but we do. The other day when I was in the bathroom putting on my makeup, I'm like, man, I'm really old. I'm 58. And I'm like, man, I'm old. I'm really old. And you're only as old as you feel. Well, the other day, I felt old. I got the map of the United States crawling across my face. I don't know how many more of y'all have that, but since I have lost weight, I've gained back about 20 pounds, but I'm losing it again. I had to change my eating habits because my eating habits got poor. And so now I'm back on my healthy track. But anyway, we're going to start this, get this done, and go from there.
But I kinda need a word. Well, I'm into you, and all I know, it's been a long time. I was on the sideline waiting for you. We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. And we don't need the drama. We'll find our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight, 'cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you, and my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. And we don't need the drama, we found our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to, 'cause we can do anything we want to. And I can't help the feeling that I get when I'm next to you. Will you run away? Will you run away with me? 'Cause I will run away, I will run away with you. Will you run away? Will you run away with me? 'Cause I will run away, I will run away. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to, 'cause we can do anything we want to. And I can't help the feeling that I get when I'm next to you. Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would've met tonight. Sure, I've had lovers in my past, won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor. They can't compare, no one could ever do, nobody's close to you, yeah. One night's not fair, what can I say to make you never leave this room? I need you to stay a little longer. How about forever? Yeah. I need you to stick around for later. How about forever? Yeah. You feel so right now. It's taking a lifetime. I need you to stay a little longer. How about forever? Yeah. Wanna get to know all your friends, bet I'll be loving them. I'll try to make them love me back. It won't be like it was before, easy when hearts are pure. I'm falling hard and falling fast. Oh, they can't compare, no one could ever do, nobody's close to you, yeah. One night's not fair, what can I say to make you never leave this room? I need you to stay a little longer. How about forever? Yeah. I need you to stay for later. How about forever? Yeah. You feel so right now. It's taking a lifetime. I need you to stay longer. How about forever? Yeah. How about forever? Yeah. How about forever? Yeah. You told me there'd be better days and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Yeah,
be friends for life. We will survive it all, keeping it together, we stand tall. Don't hesitate, then we will all be friends for life. Do you feel it too? Stay here right by my side. Friends for life, I'll be calling every night and day. Stronger than we've been before. Friends for life, I'll be calling. Not everybody would have done this thing. Not everybody would help me out. Not everybody would be my friend. We will survive it all, keeping it together, we stand tall. Friends for life, I'll be calling every night and day. Stronger than we've been before. Friends for life, I'll be calling. Time is running fast. Do what you wanna, make it last. Friends for life, I'll be calling. Not everybody every night and day. Keeping it together, we stand tall. Friends for life, I'll be calling. Time is running fast. Not everybody would have done this thing. Time is running fast.
Okay, now what all y'all been waiting for is my roommate's mess. All of his crap. Hold on. So guess what? That's going to be my next project. And that will probably take years. No, it was worse than this when I moved in. I had to really clean this house up. But it's done, and my craft room is done. It's not perfect. I don't have everything that matches. I do with what I've got because I don't want to spend no money because I'm on disability. So I do with what I've got, and yeah, that's all that I do. I mean, it's not much, but it's something that I can be halfway proud of. Everything's got a place now, where before it didn't. It just was like everywhere. Like I got my t-shirt station now. I've got a place that I can work with my fabrics at cutting stuff. All I have to do is put the ruler here. That's what I've got to do. So I have a yard ruler. So when I need to measure a yard, I can do it. But yeah, that's it for the day. That's the end of my craft room organization. I hope this helps. You don't have to be perfect. Not everybody's perfect. I know I'm not. I know I'm definitely not perfect. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all have a beautiful day or night, whichever it is. And I'll see y'all next time. Talk to you later. Bye.